Googly boogly, Avery just caught a fish, not a snake. Oh, and if you want to hear my original poem, here it is. Googly boogly, I ate a snake. Set it free. Put it in the water.
Ow!
Not that water, but the water in the bucket. How's it hurting you?
He's got spikes on the end of him.
Oh,
You want to see it, fans?
no.
Okay, hold on.
I do not want to die to a fish.
It got stuck up his nose.
Oh, man. You need me to take the hook out?
What just hit me in the back of the head?
I don't know.
Oh, I got it.
Look
Okay.
at him.
So if you can see, there's like spike things back there. If I can get him to come up. See, but if you can see, got spikes on the end of him.
Okay,
They're very
now
spiky.
we must put him in the water.
He's a big one, so he might slide. Yes, he did. Man, he's big.